Today, I'm going to discuss about the grammar speed correlation. First of all, I'm Leslie James Giligaw. Objectives today is to learn grammar speed correlation, know the formula, and how to use the grammar speed correlation. So first, what is grammar speed correlation? It is used to determine how strong a variable correlated. Variable should be categorical and have two or more distinct value per category, also known as the grammar speed. Next, so where grammar speed correlation is being used, it's being used about the relation between variables. Variables in interest are categorical and two or more values per category. For the following, are giving 5 examples to show how grammar speed correlation works. The strength of the link between the two nominal variable is gauged by grammar speed correlation as a range of 0 to 1. 0 indicates no association between two variables. 1 indicates a perfect association between the two variables. So this is the formula of the grammar speed. First, speed equals the square root of g squared over n, which is the total number of observation point minimum, which is a minus 1 or l minus 1. Note that in choosing the minimum value, we should compare the difference of k minus 1 and r minus 1. The lowest difference we are going to use as the minimum value. Next, so this is the interpretation of the grammar speed based on degree of freedom. So upon getting the grammar speed correlation, we should look at the degree of freedom to know if the correlation is what degree of freedom it's like on. Yes. For this example number 1, a survey was conducted among 125 people of different age group to understand their preferred mode of transportation. The result are summarized in the contingency table below. So first, the question is there a significant association between age group and preferred mode of transformation? Okay, to read grammar speed to assess the strength of the association. The first step in getting the grammar speed correlation is to find the g squared. So first, we need to find the expected frequency, which is total number of rows plus total number of columns over the grand total. Base it is equal, so the total number of rows is 2. And the columns are 1, 2, 3. So this total number, which is 45. So what we are doing is we need to multiply 45 to 70. 55 to 70, 35 to 70, and then 45 to 55, 55 to 55. So, to get that is 70 over 1. So if we are going to solve it, so this is the expected frequency of the first row, that age 18 to 30. Second row, we have 45, Alejandro, which is age 3150, has a expected frequency of 18 cars, 19.8 in car, 24.2 in motorcycle, and 11 for the bicycle. So, to analyze it, you have to make a table. So if you ever wonder where this number came from this expected frequency that we solved earlier. After getting the expected frequency, we must get the square, which is square is equal to summation of O E squared over E. So this is the expected frequency, which represents with E, and then this one, this table, is the observed frequency table. So we must plot each number, which is 25 over E, since the 18 in the car is 25.2, and then in the observation table, we have 25. Apply all the numbers that you get from this table and that table. The observation table will be expected. So it's like this. Plotting this, we have to solve it using our own calculator. So 25 minus 25 over 2 over 25 over 0.2 is equal to 0. So, as you observe, wala ko siya di-round up kaya nag-affect siya i-round up ng mga decimal. So, ito to, 400 ang exact value in G, which is x squared. So after getting these decimal points, you must add it. Since summation, nasa ito formula sa G squared. So yan natin sa nanan, which is approximately 0.23. Guys, G squared na lang. So after getting the G squared, we proceed to the step 2, which is, so after getting G squared, which is katong 0.23 is 66 to 17, ay next is of C, Nernst correlation. So ang formula is 1, which is si K kay number of columns, and si R number of rows. So, sa pag-determine, kung minsan piliin, piliin mo ang pinakagabay. So, B is equal to square root of x squared, which is x squared by so G is equal to 6.7 over N. Kaning si total number of observations is anywhere I run total, so 105. So kaning that three guys, hindi na siya means na multiply, it means na decimal point na siya para sa minimum value, since ang K na to, number of columns ay G, which is kana minus 1 kay 2 ang pinakagamay. So, ang ikutan natin dili, C1. After by i-divide. So, which is square root of 0.009117. Next, after getting the quotient to numbers ay square root of C1 eh. So, ang correlation by approximately 0.0438 is ganit. Pero, hindi lang siya stop diri since naman tayo table na ipakita na ganina, which is the interpretation of degree of freedom. So, matong bali ang step 3. Step 3, interpretation of degree of freedom. So, para makuha ang degree of freedom ay freedom r minus 1 multiply dito sa a minus 1. So, balik ka sa table. So, makita lang ang diri since so, isolve sa ito ang degree of freedom asa nag-line ang ito ang number scheme correlation. So, r na ito by 2 minus 1 times 3 minus 1 which is 1 times 2. So, ito degree of freedom ay 2. So, i-check na ito din degree of freedom and then follow na ito 0.4. So, probably na siya din since ang atong problem ay since akong iwan magtatanina na if ang atong makuha ang correlation or Zariski kay nag-arrange siya 0.1 ay 0 to 1. So, if 0 siya, kay weak ang correlation, then if 1 siya, kay absolute correlation siya. So, therefore, we can conclude that the calculated grammar speed, which is 0.04.38, die as very weak, association between the age group. Referred note of So, sa akong na-observe, ang question kay excuse me, significant association. So, as we all know, 0 since 0.04 na siya, so layo kayo siya sa correlation. Then, na-observe ko na ito kanina sa table na layo po siya. So, probably yung degree of freedom kaya na siya sa 2, which is ganyan resolved. So, we can conclude na association between the age group of the preferred mode of transportation is very big. So, in different age group, kailangan kung sila ang preferred mode of transportation. For the next problem, the study was conducted to investigate association between smoking habits and the various of respiratory diseases. The data is summarized in the contingency table. So, the question is there a significant association between the smoking habits and the occurrence of respiratory diseases? Calculate the V per number speed causes the strength of the association. So, as we kanina solve, so So first step, like kuha ko na to si G-squared. Then before ko si G-squared, kuha na to si expected frequency. So para makuha na to, kay total number of rows times the total number of columns times grand total. So sa first, guys, sa string is smokers. First, total number. So 100. Mas probably mababa ang respiratory diseases. Example, particularly conducted survey to understand the relationship between customer satisfaction levels, high or low. Preferred payment methods or credit card or cash. The results are summarized according to the dependency table below. Question, is there a significant association with the customer sales? Same naman ang pinapakita, same process na po ng method sa first day. All naman na sa expected frequency, which is 30, 80, 30, 20, 20, then same process, total rows, total columns over the total, which is 50. So after what is expected frequency table, proceed na sa task by G. So observation observation 30, nag-large siya sa 0.5, which is meaning large na po ang iyang ano. Balik ka sa question na is there a significant association between customer satisfaction level and preferred method? So, nako ang association kay since sa itong grammar scheme kay 8.5855 man. So nako ang association na satisfied ang matawag mga customers in terms of pay saan customer service need. Simple number 4, social media usage survey was conducted to analyze the preferences between Facebook and Twitter among users of different genders. The data is organized in the following easily. Ang question is there any significant association of terms in gender and prefers between Facebook and Twitter regulate grammar scheme to assess the extent of association. So, same question, same process yung walang bottom guys. Total number of rows, multiply sa total number of columns. Over. So, 55 times ratio 55 times 75 squared over 7 So, after getting G, which is 91, is it napunta sa step 2? So, G, 90, and 7.621, same, minus 1, 1, the one upon same, ang column o ang number of rows. So, 9.1, 90 divided by 1. So sa table na po na kanina, taas na po siya. So, nakapunod tama ang preferences between sa puan sa lalaki sa babae in terms of using Facebook o Twitter kay hindi siya lang yung o prefer nila na gamitin ang ka sa comment. So, the fifth problem, researchers conducted a survey of 15 individuals and obtained the following results. So, male o female yapon, pwede ka yung survey guys, kaya silang eye color. It's under association between eye color and gender based on activity. Same question, same solution, yapon naman. Without same solution, yapon siya kay same. Ako na rin pumita, find the association. For the last 4 problems, find the association, so same process, pauna, the freedom, the frequency rather,